So hello ladies, today I have an unboxing video for you all. So let's go ahead and get started. December my family and I went to Malaysia, and then we went to this pavilion mall where they had a Louis Vuitton store, and it was my husband's birthday. We should get something for his birthday, so we went to the Louis Vuitton store and got him something. So let's go ahead and open it. See, this is the box. There's a little blue ribbon going on here. And the tag, it says Louis Vuitton. So I'll open it. This is what I got him. A Louis Vuitton necktie. On camera, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like polka dots going on, but actually there's like LV logo all over it. I don't know if my camera is picking it up. Yeah, it's in navy blue. I chose this one because his favorite color is blue, and I'm thinking this will go with anything because it's navy blue, and then it has subtle polka dots on it, and the Louis Vuitton logo all over it. It's not too flashy. It's so simple, kind of like my husband. He doesn't like flashy things, so that's why I chose this one. It says Louis Vuitton there, and the logo. This is at the back of the necktie. So yeah, this is what I got him for his birthday. I called it his power tie. Yeah, I don't know, I'm weird. So yeah, that's that. And this is 100% silk. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you later.